How to edit Word documents on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap on the On My iPhone under the Location section to browse files saved directly onto your device's storage. Now, navigate to the Browse tab, located at the bottom right of the screen beside the Shared option. Here, go to the folder of the Word document you want to edit. Press and hold the Documents icon. This action will reveal a menu of available options for the file. From this menu, select the Share option. In the Share options, find and tap on the Docs App icon to open the file with Google Docs. A pop-up will appear to save the file. Tap on Save to Drive to proceed. Once the document loads, tap the Edit icon located in the bottom right corner. You can now fully edit the document's content as you wish. When your edits are complete, tap on the checkmark at the top left corner to save the changes. Following these steps, you can easily edit Word documents on an iPhone.